All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about screen recording in Windows 11, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated, as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to record and export a video in PowerPoint. If you found yourself trying to go from your PowerPoint presentation to a video file that you can replay back or send, this video is for you. Before we jump into that, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, remote desktop licenses, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so for demonstration purposes, I went ahead and created this little PowerPoint here, which consists of 4 slides with some basic information. Each one has a transition between it. Once I present, you'll be able to see that there's a little wipe transition between each slide. Additionally, I added an animation here on this record button where it does a sort of wipe in. And at this point, I'm satisfied with my PowerPoint. However, I need to do a couple of things. I want to record myself presenting this and talking through the details. And I also want to narrate on top of the PowerPoint. So first, let's go ahead and preview what this looks like. So in the slideshow tab, I'm going to play from beginning. All right, so we have slide 2. Again, we have that little wipe transition. Here is step 2, slide 3. If I click the arrow again, it brings up our record button animation. And we have the final slide, which is the last step. So again, I'm happy with this PowerPoint. I'm now going to click over a tab to record. All right, now before I actually hit record, let's make sure of a couple of settings. Here I could turn on my webcam, which I don't want to do in this case because I already have this camera recording. So I'll turn that back off. I can also turn the microphone on or off. We'll leave that on since we said we wanted to do some narrating. Up in the settings, I can choose which microphone or which camera I want to be active in this recording. So once my correct microphone is selected, which it is, I'll go ahead and hit record. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain a little bit on each slide. And once we're done with that, we can actually just hit stop record. So this slide is welcome to PowerPoint video demonstration. Learn how to create a video from a presentation. I'll click over to the next slide. And this is slide 2, step 1, create your slides. Add text, images, and content to your slides. One thing to note is that it records the narration and timing on each slide individually. So if I click back over to the very first page here, I'll start here as I check my replays and make sure the video is as I want. Now, after reviewing all of my slides, the longest narration was 16 seconds, and that's an important piece of information. If I click back over again and I click play here, we can see slide 1 is 16 seconds out of the entire record time of 57. So it's telling us again how long. This one's 14 seconds. And then the one after that is also 14 seconds. And the last one is 13 seconds. So I'm going to X out of this for now. Next, we're going to go to export a video. Here we can select our export settings. I'm going to select Ultra HD on mine. And then here we can select whether or not to use the narrations. I do want to use them, so I'll select that. And the seconds spent on each slide is an applicable setting to slides that don't have times or narrations. So not applicable in our case, but maybe I want to bump that to 16 just in case. Last up, I'll hit create video. And at this point, I can select where I want to save it and hit save. And we will select yes on this pop-up. Let's go check out the video and make sure it's saved properly. And as we can see, the video is right here in my downloads folder. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about creating a video inside of PowerPoint, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated, as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.